Hi, what's up YouTube? Today's quick review is going to be on these AR500 graded steel targets. If you want to check these out, I have the link in the description below. But the great thing about these targets is you can shoot them with a 9mm, a 22, or even a 45. So I'll show you some samples of me shooting these targets. This one over here, and these are about 4 inches, and this just basically kicks back and slides back and forth like that. This is what the back of it looks like. So it's definitely fun shooting middle targets more than paper targets in my opinion, because you get that middle feedback whenever it hits the plate. So if you want to check these out, definitely click on the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, definitely comment below. But as always, thank y'all for watching.